What's everyone? I create Cavachon. In today's videos, I'm doing Animals Got Talent. Me and my best friend Rosie are so happy we did this. I want to thank everyone who has participated in Animals Got Talent. So first we have Magical X Lena and her puppy Ace.
Hi, I am Ace. I have signed up for Cookie the Cavachon's Got Talent for the doggy show. I am a Shih Tzu and I am about 4 months old. And for this, I am going to do my super speed one. I want like a flasher. Ace! Ace, one sec, Ace. Here. Are you ready? Ace, look, are you ready? So that's it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Bloopers are right now starting. Ace, look up. Ace, look up. Ace, it's super dark here. Okay, thank you so much, Exes, for watching this video. Please like the video. It would help me a lot. And also, please subscribe. I would love it, Exes.
Wowers! Ace definitely did more like a Flashers. She looks like me when I was a puppy. Thank you so much for participating in Animals Got Talent. Go to subscribe to Magical X Lena on YouTube. Next is Sasha with a Purpose.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes.
Wow, those are amazing tricks you taught your pet. Go and subscribe to Sasha with a Purpose on YouTube. Thank you so much for participating in Animals Got Talent. Next we have Emmy the Adorable.
Hi, I'm Emmy. I'm a Papillon mixed breed, and my talent is training my human. Human, come here. Lay. Good human. Thank you for having me.
Oh, OMG, I should train my humans to give me more Treatos. Thank you so much, Emmy the Adorable, for participating in Animals Got Talent. Go to subscribe to them on YouTube. Next we have Puggo. Wow, you got some moves, Puggo. Maybe you can teach me some of those movers some days. Go on subscribers and followers, Puggo on YouTube and Instagram. Next we have Snowball the Hamster. Hamster is absolutely adorable-ers. Make sure to subscribe to Snowball the Hamster and follow on ZooPix, YouTube, and PopJam. Thank you so much for participating in Animals Got Talent. Thank you all who have participated in Animals Got Talent. Please comment down below who you think should win, and then I'll count up all the votes in Animals Got Talent Part 2. But please don't worry if you don't win. You all get a prize. The winner that wins Animals Got Talent will get a Disney drawing of their pet. The rest of you will get an amazing edit done by me, because all Animals Talent is special. So thank you all who have participated in Animals Got Talent. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss another video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye!